So we wanted to start off by showing you some resources we created to help you through the beginning of the school year, first week, maybe even a little more. So let me share my screen, and you said you're on the big screen, so you should be able to see it, right? There we go. Okay. So this is our getting started page. It gives you a step-by-step idea of what to do and how to get started, where to find the curriculum, how to navigate, how to modify, everything you need. What are the steps? We also have
Where did you get that?
how to.
Where did you get that? How did you get there? On the website?
I went to the CDC website. This is our CDC website. It's cdc.engine.umich.edu. And then I went to the curricula tab. From here, you can read all about our curriculum, and you can go to get started on the bar on the side. And this should walk you through everything you'll need to do. These are drop downs. If you click on it, you have videos and an explanation. In addition, we also have our need help tab with our frequently asked questions and how-to videos for you, the teachers, and for students. And parents can also watch the students' video if they need to. So I just encourage you again to go and see our how-to videos to help you. And now they're also sorted by the app. So if you have PDF questions, you can just click on the PDF icon and go straight to the questions that can help you with the PDFs. Okay, moving on, I'm going back to the curriculum tab. And as you can see, our curricula is divided by grade level, but we also have first week resources for you. And these are all sorts of maps that might assist you as you're just starting your school year and your school year with roadmaps. We have our first roadmap, that's a scavenger hunt to help give Google permissions and do it in a fun, engaging way. It should take about 15 minutes to go through. The kids just open they also practice how to go through a map that you click on it, click launch, and it opens in a new tab. And when they do that, they unlock all the apps that you'll be using throughout the year. And it's a fun map. They have to find out the mystery object hidden in all the clues here. And we have a version for K2 that doesn't require reading. And we have a version for 3rd grade and up. We also have
and why do you need that?
Because they're going to have to give Google permissions the first time you use any app on Roadmap. Whether it's Writer, PDF Pal, web resource, you're going to have to give Google permissions. And the kids are going to have to do it as well. Again, it's just for the first time. It's a one-time thing. But you want to get it over with and not have it happen when you're teaching a lesson and then everybody's, oh my God, what happened? So this is an easy, fun way to get the Band-Aid off, get Google permissions for all the apps you need, and move along with your life. And you have everything here. If you don't remember what I'm saying, you have explanations at the bottom of each map explaining what it's for. Also, you have explanations within the map. Those would be the Apple noted one. Can you see there is a little Apple badge here on this node? That means only you, the teacher, can see it. And it also have explanations about how to work with this map and what is it for. And all of our first week maps have those explanations for you. This is another fun map that we made for you. It is a visit to Disney World. And the kids, again, get to practice using our most commonly used apps like Writer for the videos and PDF Pal for all your worksheets. And they get to do it as they visit Disney World. Each app is a kingdom, and they have a fun game or task to do. And they just practice using the apps. We also offer you a first day of school roadmap. You can obviously change it to my first day of roadmaps map. It has suggestions and ideas for you, but this is an empty template, which means that many of these bubbles or nodes here are empty we tell you what should go in there, for example, your school rules, and you're going to put them in there, and you can use that for the first day or first week of school. I can show it very quickly so you'll know what I mean.
And everybody, you folks can download it from the repository or from there. When you clicked on it, that's right, you're just going to get it in your little repository.
All of these maps are, just as Professor Soloway mentioned, are available in our repository and here. So
Yep.
you got
Go to the
covered.
website, it's easier. Go to the website.
Go to roadmap.center, it's all there. Search UMCDC, all of these maps will pop up. So this is the first day map that I mentioned. So for example, if you have morning announcements, if you made a daily video for your students, and again, we have everything you need here. All the directions are for you in the teacher notes, what you need to be doing or putting in here. And when you click on it, it will be empty or with an example that we provided, and you can switch it to your announcements. Meet Me the Teacher, that would be a video that you, the teacher, would create to introduce yourself to your kids. And I wrote down in there what needs to go inside, but you're going to create a video and put it in there. And if you forgot how to put a video in Writer, don't worry, you have the how-to videos in our Need Help section. And I also put some how-to videos, I think, on most of these maps. Yeah, here on the side, you can see at the bottom, you also have the how-to videos here for your students or for you if you forgot.
Where are the videos? Where are the videos?
The how-to videos, but these are for the students. So they also have the how-to videos here on this map. Okay, going back to first week resources, we have a first week map, getting to know roadmaps and getting to know your class. Again, this map has our top 5 most used apps that you'll be using the most. Writer, PDF Pal, Flipbook, the concept map, and KWL. And we have suggestions for activities that you can do with your kids individually or as a whole class together with this map. So it's really up to you if you want to distribute it to your kids as a solo map, and then they're each going to work on it individually, or as a whole class map. Now, I recommend using it as a whole class map, and we have some fun ideas for you for first week activities, like making a rules for the classroom, some icebreaker games, getting to know each other games, and all the kids in the class can work on this together and have fun and interact with each other. And these are the how-to videos, again, so they can learn how to use all the tools they have on each of these apps. Finally, we also offer a map for parents. If you have parents that are interested and need to know or want to know how to use Roadmap, this is a fun map for them. Again, they will learn, you need to share this video with them as well. This is the how to navigate a roadmap. So just so they know how to get started, that they need to click on the node, click launch, and it opens. And then they can explore all of our different apps as they have fun with Mr. Bean and Ace Ventura.
So Leah, you can just copy and paste a link to that, right? Often our CDC site.
Absolutely. They can click on it. They can also generate a student. They can also generate a teacher link. Wait, could you repeat that, Billy?
Like if you wanted to send this video out, like in an email to your parents or in Google Classroom, can you just right click and get a link to the video?
Yes, it's on YouTube.
Okay.
Why don't you do that and show the right click and you can get the video? That's good.
It looks like it's also right below it. Here's a link to the video right below.
Oh, there it is.
Perfect.
Very good. That's good. That's the link right there.
And there you have it. More resources or schedules. Again, if you want to be inspired by our schedules and build a schedule for your first week, sending you back to our how-to videos and getting started tab. And just a reminder, our learning schedules are also here in the curriculum tab. And you can use our templates or just be inspired by them or just create something of your own. But these are some daily schedules that we made for older kids, for the littler kids, and you're more than welcome to download, to click on them or go to the repository and find them. They're all there as well. And start modifying them to your material and needs.
So Leah, let's say they wanted to use one of these schedules. All they do is click on it and it would take them right to the roadmap.
Absolutely.
Would it go into their repository as a copy
Yes.
of their map automatically?
Yeah. If you click on it from here, it will automatically generate a copy for yourself that you can later find when you go to the CDC on Modify My Roadmaps. It will be added to your list of maps that you have downloaded. But you can also search other schedules that are available in our repository. You would click here, search repository, and we do have the schedules tab and see all the schedules that come up. Some ours, some by other people, but you're free to use it. There we go, schedules. And those are all the schedules that we have.